You guys, hi. Welcome to another episode of Glam Bam. Thank you, ma'am. We're here with a jack of all trades, but a master of none. Just kidding. I did it. You're an amazing makeup artist. He's also just an amazing person who brings light to every situation. You guys, it's Allan Avendano, aka Allan Face.
I have no words for that introduction, but thank you.
So blow our mind. Blow them.
Did you know that it is impossible to hum if you close your nostrils? Try it. Hold your nostrils and try to hum.
Oh my God, you can't.
And then one other side thing that is really funny is that, do you know that it is near impossible, if you're not thinking about it, to not activate T-Rex arms if you're tiptoeing? You're gonna have to get up.
You're right. Am I wearing pants? I am. Okay, good.
Yes, you're wearing pants.
This is some funny
Wait, but I have one more. Well, I have two.
Okay. I mean, I could do like 10 more with you. These are amazing.
So I have been trying to cook more, right? So I've been learning like little things. And did you know that, how when you're trying to peel like cloves of garlic, I don't want to smash it and then peel it off. If you put it in boiling water for 2 minutes and then give it an ice bath, those mofos are just going to slip right off.
Boiling water for 2 minutes. Cool ice bath after 2 minutes.
And then it slips right off. Here are my other two. Okay, I've been saving these jars because I really wanted to show you this hack. I grabbed the spoon, jar. You put the spoon right here. And you know how this has a poppy thing at the top? Yeah. If it's not popped, it means that it's still sealed. And then one last thing, onions. We all cry when we cut them, right? So straight down. I can already smell it. Then you cut the lemon and you rub it on the mother blade. I am not smelling this.
I am loving those hacks. You definitely glam bam, thank you, ma'am, me. I mean, I'm loving this and that, the no crying.
One last thing, a beauty hack for real. So we found a thing where you put wasabi and some Greek yogurt, like a lot of wasabi and a little bit of Greek yogurt. You mix it and you put it on your lip and you wipe that off and it makes your lips really rosy for like a couple of hours.
And it burns, right?
It burns, but not like horrendously.
I'm just saying. You crush it. Thanks for joining us of another episode of Glam Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Here's all of Allan's stuff. I'm putting it below. Follow him because he's amazing and we love him and you know him now. So go follow him. Bye, y'all.
Bye.